Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Next could be a butterfly. Blue butterfly is got in the insects. Right here, the yellow butterfly have this. If you know, he's a coyote. He's a danger leopard. This one is a danger too. He has a scorpion. So sharp. Fresh leaf, some coral for the fishies to swim, and some honeybee here, and we have a honeybee, another one on the other side. Fly is right on the middle. See, creatures are in the way. Here is the sea creature. This one and this are short. This here, they will stick here to like this. They want to see the over. Then the sea ladybug. We can touch her. He will not do anything. See? We'll just go to the insects. Right here. And we have one coral already. And leaves. This one come from the wind. We have to put all the leaves in here. This one, the tortoise. 1 minute. Space for this. Put in the cards right here. We need that ladybug. Bee. Oops, I forgot. Bee. Butterflies. 2 butterflies. Blue and yellow. And black butterfly like orange stripes. And yellow butterfly. No butterfly. I forgot. It's a buzzy bee butterfly. Now I'm going to tell you the dangerous animals in all kingdoms.